Welcome to your essential guide on how many squats to do each day for optimal muscle building. Embracing squats as a core part of your fitness regimen can significantly boost your strength and body composition. You might be asking yourself, how do you determine the right squat routine for your body? In this guide, we will methodically explore the steps that tailor a squat plan suited to your unique fitness journey. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, understanding your fitness level is crucial. Beginners should aim to master the fundamental bodyweight squat, focusing on correct form. To build a solid foundation, start with 3 sets of 10-15 reps, nurturing body awareness and balance with each repetition. As your confidence grows, intermediate and advanced lifters can elevate their training by incorporating weighted squats, adding resistance to challenge your muscles effectively. Ensure that with every squat you prioritize form over the number of repetitions for the best results. Next, pinpointing your goals will help determine your squat numbers. If building muscle is your objective, higher weights combined with lower repetitions become your focus. Envision yourself doing 3 to 5 sets of 6 to 12 reps. Conversely, if your interest lies in improvement of endurance or toning, embrace lighter weights or bodyweight routines with higher reps, around 15 to 20 per set. Each goal offers a distinct pathway, one finely tuned to sculpt not just your body, but your fitness journey as well. Incorporating the principle of progressive overload is paramount in muscle building. Picture your body gradually adapting to increased challenges. This could be lifting more weight or cranking up the number of repetitions. Start off strong with a weight manageable for 8-10 reps. Then imagine each week becoming a testament to your hard work as you enhance by 5 to 10%. Progress is about pushing limits, and each squat brings you closer to your fitness aspirations. Planning your weekly squat routine distinguishes beginners from advanced lifters. Begin with 2-3 sessions per week, focusing on technique. Intermediate trainees should weave in 3-4 squat days, balancing resistance and bodyweight squats. Advanced lifters can ramp it up to 4-5 sessions, exploring diverse squat variations like front squats or goblet squats. This varied approach keeps workouts engaging and muscles responsive to change, preventing stagnation and fueling progress. Finally, never underestimate the importance of adequate rest. Imagine your muscles repairing and growing stronger every time you take a break. Scheduling at least 48 hours between intense squat sessions allows ample recovery time, promoting muscle integrity and continuous growth. Your body deserves this rhythm, ensuring you unleash a better you with each squat session.